Yeah, buddy. Oops. Garbage picked microwave. I just garbage picked that microwave at my job place. Let's see if it runs. Lights goes on. Oops. Ref port protection shot. I removed it. Let's have a try now. Oops. Just a bowl of water for a try. Timer runs. Micro start. Let's see if it warms. Ooh, the disk is going fast. Microwave sucks power. Stops. Well, that's fine. Oops. Yeah, buddy. Water is warming. That's right. Grill. Come on. Disk is fast. Grill runs. Yes. Oops. Worked. On both microwave and grill. Oops. Both lights are on. Yeah, buddy. Ooh-la. Very fast. Microwave and grill runs fine. Good garbage pick stuff. Just need a new protection for the ref ports, and it will be fine to keep. I'll see you at the next garage sale. Bye bye.